What's up guys, this is Masi. Welcome to another video. In this video I want to show you if you use the basic limits, limit of sine x over x when x approaches 0 is 1, and limit of cosine x minus 1 over x when x approaches 0 is going to be equal to 0, to find the following limits. I have 4 different questions and I want to show you how to solve these limits using these two information. So sine of x over x when x approaches 0 is going to be 1. So here I'm going to change this one to limit of sine 3x over 3x multiplied by 3. So I didn't basically change the value of this expression, but I multiplied the numerator and denominator by 3 when x is approaching 0. And we know when x is approaching 0, 3x is approaching 0 as well. So then it is going to be limit of, or we can have 3 behind it, 3 times limit of sine 3x over 3x when 3x is approaching 0. So this part is going to be 1, so 3 times 1, the answer is going to be 3. Next one, limit of sine x over 4x when x is approaching 0. So for this case, we can say that's going to be equal to sine of x over x multiplied by 1 over 4. Basically, I separated 4 and x and I wrote it like that. And then you can take 1 over 4 out. 1 over 4 times sine x over x limit when x is approaching 0. So it's going to be 1 over 4 times 1, which will be 1 over 4. Next one, we set cosine x minus 1 over x is 0 when x is approaching 0. So we have cosine x minus 1 times 5x. You can separate them. It's going to be 1 over 5 limit of cosine x minus 1 over x when x is approaching 0. So it's going to be 1 over 5 times 1. It's going to be 1 over 5. Next one, limit of sine of x squared over x squared when x is approaching 0. So we know when x is approaching 0, x squared is also approaching 0 as well. So we have sine x squared divided by x squared. That's going to be equal to 1. So we had these 4 different questions before based on these two limits here. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please leave me a comment if you have any question and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. I will leave some related videos and playlists in the description in case you need extra help. Thank you for watching and have a great day.